Ah, we're live. Oh my god. I just played Mortal Kombat. My hands hurt. Um, okay, I looked at the tutorial and I forgot in the tutorial the target angle was a float. And you could do any math you want in a float, whereas like vectors and certain other types of things, you can't like add the plus. I think you can add a plus to a vector. Uh, well, yeah, whatever. Some things won't allow you to plus or minus. It's like you can't do that. Only multiplication. So I'm an idiot, and I missed that part where you can essentially offset the angle. And also, I need to fix this. This is fucked up. There, I think I fixed it. My stupid avatar was doesn't look like it was working. Anyways, so I looked at the tutorial and I got some stuff, and so we need a camera transform, which is weird. So we already got that. We got target transform already. Um, Ow, we already got that. So then, uh, we have to add this after. So target angle. Ow, my pits are gross. I'm all sweaty. Okay, so this will be target angle. And then you could do a times and then a plus. Transform y. So that should be done. This is done. That's done. That's done. Look, angle. This is 100% the tutorial code. None of this is something I made up. We're just using the tutorial code because I want to get it working. We need a velocity. We'll leave that there. Nah. Son of a bitch! This headphone is right in front of the keyboard. I can't type now. Velocity. No. See, I'm getting ahead of myself. Math. Dot. Smooth damp angle. I need a bunch of variables. Transform dot okay. Target angle, ref, which would be velocity ref, and this would be smooth time, which we don't have. We'll just put public smooth. Wait, do I have to type in ref? Yes. References are weird. Not entirely sure how I guess it's kind of like this up here. How you declare a variable but you don't assign it. It's kind of like that, but it remains that way permanently. It's never assigned because something is put into it when needed, and then I guess that's how that works. I don't know. Then where's angle transform rotate dot angle? I think we leave that. That was in the tutorial. Then We combine this vector 3 quaternion target angle. Do I normalize it? Can't do it there. You do it here. I don't know if that helps. You can also do it down here. I normalize it twice. See, now I'm not sure. Forgot. But supposedly, this should fix it. This would be equal to controller movement. We already got the F. So relative would be, we're just going to get rid of relative. We don't need this anymore. Get rid of this. This would be controller movement dot x. This would be controller movement dot z. Shit. That could be another problem. I mean, damn it, we're just gonna go look up the tutorial. God darn it. X. Wow, I didn't think it would be like a game. I don't know how to. Community third person. Shut up! I'm joking. So it is Z. That might have been a problem. I was probably using Y, which should have been Z, maybe. It's been a while since I used this. One rotation. Turning it. No, we gotta skip ahead because he changes it a lot. It's weird. Transform rotation equal. Turning dot. That's different. Zero. I think it's angle 0. Normalized in here, not here. Why am I gonna have this? Should be W? Oh. Use new. Well, that's weird. It's probably another mistake I made. Should I do that? There's no time dot delta time. That's also weird. Speed is done down here. So times is it raw speed? Image speed times time. Or should it be the other way around? I think it should be the other way around, but he does speed first, so I guess we'll just do it that way. Turn smooth times 1F. So we have the axis is. We have the Euler angles dot Y. Oops. That should be everything. Is it actually gonna work this time? I don't know. We'll see. This is like the same. This is almost the exact same code they used in the downloadable third-person controller. It's very similar. I'm just half tempted. If this don't work, I'm just gonna probably make my own because I already made the horizontal controller. I'll just make my own slope foot detector thing. If I can't get this to work. These character controllers are like really annoying. You have to put all the math in it in advance. It's obnoxious. It's not very modular. I guess it can be, but you gotta do everything in advance, which is really confusing. I think that's the difficulty curve. So everything has to be done in advance. I'm not even using this. Not anymore. Alright, let's see if this works. Probably not. Oops. It's gonna crash. I think the literal camera, not the free look thing. Of course it don't work. Why? What did I do that's different? Is it too fast? I'm beginning to think maybe it's a parenting thing. Maybe the origin is all screwed up. I'm so fucking confused. It looks exactly the same. Look at this. What the fuck? It's just doing the same thing I did earlier. It's doing the same thing my code does. Why? I guess I could just bypass my test axis. We'll just turn that off. What is controller movement? It's a vector 3. That might be part of the problem. He's not using a vector 3. He's using raw floats. So we're just going to kill this. We'll make local floats. Player controller. Was that player controller that magnitude? I don't actually know what was in the thing. Hang on. So he was using vector. But it was normalized. Huh. Whatever, we're just going to do it anyways. So I'm going to undo this. Put that back. Float x equal what raw. What's your deal? Why are you being a punk? What the fuck? Ugh, look at all this shit up here. I don't think all that's supposed to be up there. bastard. Why is this not working? It should literally just be as simple as copying the text over. My brain hurts. It is a float. What the hell? I have a headache. I have a bad headache. God damn it, Unity, you fucking cunt. Is it because it's local? It's probably because it's local. Nope. It's just glitched. It's 100% fucking glitched. What the fuck are you talking about? God damn it. Blow my brains out. God. Literally, it's the same shit. I'm just gonna copy it. What's in here? Unity engine, the collection. Look at this stupid fucking shit. God damn it, Unity, you fucking cunt. Oh my god. Unity engine, fucking collection generic Unity. Just get rid of all this shit. What is system? There are errors. Well, all the errors are back. Fucking blow my brains out. God, all these stupid fucking errors. Ugh. I had a headache. Controller movement equal 3 non-x and 0. Which should have worked before, because I had it public. You could just get it from here, so I don't have to fucking keep typing it over and over and over and over. Ugh! Save. I still ain't gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, it's done this before where it gets locked in place. Don't like move. At least it's looking in the correct direction now. It's because it's too slow. Hang on. I can't see. Oh, finally. Jesus Christ. That's too fast. Too slow. 2 times 1. 1. That's too slow. 25. All that screaming downstairs is very distracting. I don't know if that's getting picked up on the microphone. Are you serious? Oh, I don't have a brown, that's why there's no gravity. That's why it's doing that. Alright. I'm streaming, what do you want? God damn it. Ugh. Well, I'm working in here. Okay, you told me that already. Bye. Here, take $5. Leave me alone. Ah. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I hate alcohol. Target angle is just a single float. This is just to smooth it out. And you see, the thing is, now I need to figure out how can I write this different. And the reason why you'd want to do that is many. There could be many reasons. Different kind of style of movement, different type of game, uh, different kinds of cameras in the game. Maybe you got different cameras because maybe it's like RTS or something, or like For the King. We stream that on YouTube as well, and that has multiple different cameras. You get the world map camera, you got the fight slash cutscene camera, dungeon camera. And my flashlight's broken. Uh, so I think we should declare this up here. It can access rotation. I forgot how to do this. Well, retest axis. Got. Well, shit. Grab it. Our actually test axis will get component. Actually, bar equal get comp dot should be this right here. All the rotations. So I have the reverse position with the direction marker as well. I don't think I need that because that would be solved with an opposite a tan 2, which is ridiculous. It's absurd. Um, why did I put slash dash? Rotation. I feel like there's more I need to do to this. Smooth it. It does rotate. And I rotate around isn't necessary because that's what that's what this should be for. Rotate around would be redundant. Rotate around and you just bypass the character controller altogether. Trying to break this down into all of its, like, to make it more basic. I want to see what I could do with it. Let's try that. I don't think it's going to work. Make sure I'm not using any other cameras. I'm not. Okay. This one. Wait, why is that not following? Oh, that's weird. I turn it off. Oh, I also turn test axis off too. Oops. Oops, redo. Ain't gonna work if I turn test axis off. So no rotation. Jesus, why? Shit. Why clearly didn't work? Just forcing it in one direction. Why? Because of this? Moving forward. There's no X and Y in this. Um, it's funny. Let's try and put controller. Oh, time's controlling the plus second speed. How the hell does that work? Now I just feel stupid. When did I got these errors before where it said I can't use a plus, but now it says I can use a plus. Let's try that. I'm just curious what will happen if we do that. It's a lot different doing math on here than on paper. On paper doesn't really show you what's happening. That did not do jack shit. It doesn't really show you what's happening here either, because it like speeds off into fucking infinity. Oh, smooth time. Copy this. That's too low. I'm gonna do 25. Wait, smooth time can go 0.01, I think. Probably no more than 1.25. Default to 0.25. There you go, save, and then this just gets the degrees. This is all this does, plus your x and y. That's all this does. X and y plus degrees. This smooths the rotation. Target angle gets x and y plus degrees. As a float, and it should only be degrees. It's a single float. You cannot get x and y from that because it's a float. The x and y comes from forward. I think this is literally only degrees. Only degrees, which we have already. Just targeting the camera thing. Get rotation. The angle, whatever. So could I just I just bypass. Smooth damp. Smooth. Get and smooth. Degrees. Get degrees. Apply. Apply. Smooth. Degrees. Get correct direction plus x and y. Degrees. Get corrected direction with degrees plus x and y. Which means we don't need this. I don't think we need the x and y at all, do we? No, I think we do need it. Or do we? No, because vector 3 forward, wouldn't that receive the input from anyways? I don't know. Times. I guess we'll try that, see if that works. On the first, after the first hour mark, I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna restore the old one with the jumping, crouching, and stuff, but with Braxy's stuff. Also, damn it, it's not working. This is so hard to use. I'm really bad at this. Testing. I need one of them cam capture slash robot face thing. Face capture. I need a face capture. There's a Blender way of doing it. You gotta write dots on your face. Why does it not pick up? I am speaking. Why do I have to yell so loud? God damn it. Stupid fucking thing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Alright, we're just gonna do that. I give up. I need to make a custom avatar. I mean, this one's technically custom, but I just made it with my my set editor that I put on TurboSquid. I made it from some of my pre-existing parts. Alright. I guess let's try this. Interesting. Still does not work. What if put times vector 3 forward, and then try to make a float out of a vector. I don't know if that's possible. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna add to it space this over controller movement times 1 plus stop. Okay. That didn't work. Not add a vector 3 and float. So I could just try a math. Do they have like a math? What the angle? Wait, I'm an idiot. I probably just skipped the vector. I could just do x. Jesus. Ah. Well, let's try x times z. Let's see. Shut your no reference value, bitch. Well, this turns it into radians, a small number. So obviously this is to turn it into radians, because that's why we're putting rads to degrees. I'd have to use the regular camera. I'd have to use target transform. Ow! Ow! Wow, that's too much. Way too much. Alright. Oops. Boots back. No, we don't need that. An angle has to be relative. Degrees would just be the rotation from any given point. An angle would always have to be relative to another point. And I only have, using my rotation method, I don't have an angle. I only have a degrees. I don't have any angles. except the player, but that's too small. It's basically non-existent. Radians 2 degrees. This creates the angle. So we're getting a radian from this. So is degree synonymous with angle? That's confusing as shit. An angle and a degree is not the same thing. It's a little different. Degree is an angle made by one part of 360 equally divided. It's a circle at the center. The radius of... Yeah, see, there is a difference. God damn it. I already have my degrees. I could make an angle by shooting out a ray in 2 directions from the eye's object. Just call it Z and X. Um, which would work and bypass the oops, the brain turned off. 18 too. See if that does anything. I don't think it will, but we'll see. We're just gonna get the same value. I think we're just gonna get be equal. I'll just turn it back into itself. It'll just be equal. It'll be no different than just sticking get rotation dot y in there. Oops. Bloop, 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 bloop. At least it's rotating, kind of. I don't know. Running out of time. I already have the rotation. I already have the movement. How do I combine rotation and the movement? I feel like all this math is so unnecessary. So I'm the kind of person that uses a calculator. So like, if I was going to go the math route, I would bust out a calculator and I would just calculate it and be done with it. That's not how I want to do it. That's not fun. It's boring. I could literally go online, look up some math tutorials, and I'd be done. I am way too stubborn. Let's just get rid of the smoothing. That's just overcomplicating things. Actually, hang on, before I do anything else, let me take. So I'm just going to move on. If I can't solve it in like the next 10, 15 minutes, just to get the project done. It's like a weight off my back once I get the project done. I can take that out. We can leave that there. Actually, you know what? We'll copy this too. I do like the plus. I didn't think so. Now you delete all this. So I know if I put in controller movement, it will move up, down, left, right. How do I get it to accept the rotation? It times it by rotate around. Hang on, let me look up. Because it could be something simple and I just don't know how. But maybe I just don't know how this works. Hang on, can I have two of these? Yeah, what all does this do? Bounds, center, equals, slope, velocity. What if, hang on, what if I do controller movement, right? Then rotate around. Here it is. Paste. 0, angle 0. Is there a problem? Is it just one value? Oh, I know. I'm an idiot. Transform position angle. Target angle would be what's it called? I don't need to use times forward. I don't think. I could try the other thing, I guess. Give rotation $y. So let's save that, see what happens. Whoa. Well, something happened. It's the wrong direction. Whee! Interesting. So, huh. Let's just get rid of the smooth jam. Give rotation, dollar. I forgot to add the axis. Shit. It's float angle. Ah, shite. Point, which would be target. Oops. Transform the position. Vector 3 dot up. Rotation Y. Forgot to add in one more thing in there. Let's try forward. At least it's up. Yeah, movement is just freaking crazy. Let's get rid of the modify. Let's just move speed. Let's get rid of the smooth damp. We don't need smooth nothing. We just want harsh angles. Keep it basic. We can smooth shit later. So rotate around yourself. Vector 3 out by this rotation. Huh. Curious why that don't work. Assuming the rotation is conflicting with the character controller's method of movement. I don't know how or why, because it doesn't tell me anything about it. Also, everything gets stuck in one direction. Let me confirm that the rotation is indeed fucking with it. Because I'm going to try a regular rotation after that. I think it's just the character controller just really just wants the raw math. No, okay, something's clearly fucked up with my shit. Why is that not working? What is wrong with you? What the fuck? What is wrong with this shit? Controller movement times... What? Oh, I didn't normalize it. God damn it, I'm so stupid. I don't even know if this was working or not. God damn, man. Shit, let me turn this off. Hang on, son of a bitch. I don't even know if that's what was wrong with it. Yeah, normalized on the normals. think that's what was wrong. Nope. What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ! You had to normalize it twice? That's redundant. Oh my god. What the fuck? You fucking stupid bitch. Ugh. I have a headache. What is your deal? What is your fucking problem? You got a perfectly good vector right here, sir. Why are you being so difficult? Move speed times time dot delta time. What the fuck? It's because I normalized it twice? Hang on. Fuck this. Third person. This is so fucking dumb. Horizontal vector normalized. It's not normalized down here. It's only normalized up here. Horizontal vertical. Vertical. What the fuck? I guess you don't want to double normalize it. I don't fucking. God, it's so fucking picky. It's really confusing. Oh, still broken. What the fuck? Apparently I forgot how to fucking get this to work. Hang on, where's the controller on the documentation? God damn, this is so stupid. I'm beginning to hate character controllers at this point. I might just never use them ever again. This is fucking stupidly fucking stupid. Oh my god. The way you input data, it just makes no fucking sense. This is dumb. What was I going to type in? Unity character controller. Time.delta time is first. Move equal horizontal on the left, vertical on the right. It's not equal to vector 3, 0. What? Alright, hey, let's just take this. Let's keep that. Just place this here. Take the magnitude. Paste it here. Stop it, you bitch! Alright. Keep that there. Oh my god. which is the vector 3 I already have. Alright, so we'll do times the delta time times move speed. We're just going to use one variable. I'm using too many variables. Raw speed, it's too much. Just one variable. Keep it simple, and then I'll add on to it. So let's turn this green. We already have this. I already have this. But whatever. Object of transform depth. Isn't it already like that? Game object turned up for equal. Oh, okay. They're setting the forward vector, the forward facing, equal to the controller. Could I? They even normalize this? They didn't even normalize it. What the fuck? I guess we'll just use theirs. Just to see what happens. Say, basically, I'm using none of my variables now. I'm only using what I just copied off of the documentation. Except move speed. Ah. Oh my god. What the fuck? What's going on? Ah! You're null. I should probably turn this off completely. Let me go back here. Where's the controller? It's underneath. So I had it backwards. This needs to be here. Stop! Which is weird that that's called before. That's so weird. So it only changes when you're moving, not before. I guess that makes sense. But then they do it again. It's ran twice. But that's for the up and down movement. So I guess we don't need that. So you can have a controller put multiple times for different directions. So I guess if you really wanted to, you could have 4 dot moves for 1, 2, 3, 5. You could have 5 controller movements, 1 for each direction, including up. Might be 6 now I think about it. 1, 2, 3, 6, because you need to go down. I guess we'll try that. I don't know. Why is it rotating off so too damn fast or something? Come on. Also feels like it's backwards. Well, that clearly doesn't work. Is it because I have this enabled? I do have multiple inputs. That might be part of the problem. Oh, it was. What the fuck? Whoa. What was Test Axis doing? Hang on. I got an input over here. Var. What the hell was it doing? What the fuck? There's something in here that's glitched. There's something in here fucking with something. I don't know what. The only thing in here is the eyes marker. Position equals transform. But it don't get rendered. It's not even real. It's not even real. Why the hell does that do that? The eyes marker is just an object. Why does this have a collider? That might be part of the problem. It says sphere collider. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Now I'm glad I did this. With the fucking collider the whole time. I'd be really upset. Oh my god, it was the fucking collider! Blow my brains out! I hate colliders. You can't have colliders with a character controller. Go away! No. This whole time it was the collider! No! I want to quit and like not do this. Ugh. Oh my fucking god, it's so fucking stupid. No, 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 no. Oh my god, it's so fucking stupid. It, I need a drink. I'll be right back. Oh god. Oh my god. Ugh. What? I'm busy. Oh my god. I need to stop being so angry. Why am I so angry? Oh my god. Leave the collider on there. Oh. No. I don't even know what was wrong with it. I don't even know what I did wrong because the collider has been on there the whole fucking time. I don't even know what I did wrong now. Like all of that work, and I have no clue what the fuck, what was wrong, what was right. I don't even know how that got on there. I guess they just come with it. Shut up, blindside. Fuck, bitch. Oh, man. Sorry, y'all. I'm pouring a soda. There we go. Yeah, I confused myself because all those other things I was working on were not using character controllers. So the collision wasn't an issue. It would just clip through, no problem. The character controller, on the other hand, interacts with a collider no matter what. I should have known better. Oh, well, I guess. Fuck. Ah, so fucking dumb. Shit. Go back here. So what if I add this? This should make it be vector forward as well. So we could probably get rid of this. I could try this. That might not work though, but I could try it. What the fuck? Why does F11 do that? I don't care. I didn't want to fucking do that. Stop! Oh my god. Fuck. Backspace. Why did they put that? Backspace is right underneath F11. Of course that's gonna fucking happen. Assholes. Oh, blow my brains out. So it should only turn when I move. If I'm standing still, it shouldn't turn. I mean, I could probably just do that, and that would probably fix it. Um, why'd you stop it? I need to remember this right here. That's pretty handy. We could make a vector direction equal to another vector. I guess we'll try that. The objects in the background are hilarious. Yeah, wee, there goes. It's using the same input controller, or input, so I'm moving both the player and that object. Why is it? It's not rotating. What if I use it? Damn it, you bitch. Actually, hang on. I was, yeah. Ugh. No, that didn't work. Oops. I don't know why there's two little thingies. I could try. Just do. No, I didn't think so. Oh my god! Why do they keep banging on the fucking ventilation? What? You do it yourself. Yeah, why don't you go to the door or something? Oh my god, people don't know how to communicate. Jesus. Bang, 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 bang. I'm like a 24/7 fucking secretary. Ow. Uh, 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 what if we just ignore the quaternity and just be like, get rotation down line? But that wouldn't rotate it though, would it? What if we combined it with that? It's a whole new world now that I'm figured out I'm an idiot and I left the fucking colliders on. Just anytime something flies off into space, assume it's a collider. I should have assumed that, but too late. Literally checked everything else, and that was the last thing I checked. Dumbass. Yeah, I guess I could maybe skip the eyes marker and try the yellow one. Oops. So it's transform that forward. What was it? Shit. I just gotta do it. Move. So instead, we'll make it var get direction equal get component dot what's it called? Direction marker. Direction marker. We'll just do that for now, I guess. Move equal to direction. No. That forward? I'll take it. I gotta double check to make sure that's facing the right way. Yes. So player is invisible. I don't know why. Why is the player invisible? Why is the player invisible? Oh, that was weird. Save. Well, that didn't work. It's like it ignores the forward vector. Damn it! Save. Could maybe bypass it and put in the I already have the horizontal. I could probably put in like a direction dot forward. Which would not work because it would just turn left and right. Damn it. Oh, I don't think the marker rotates. That's probably why. Hang on. The forward is always going to be forward on that. It's not going to vary much. Let's do direction vector. Because that's what it's for. Huh? Hey. only assigning forward, so it should. It seems overkill, but I'll try it. It's got 3 points of data. That might be a problem. I don't even care about the rotation right now. Well, at least it did something different. I'll take it. It did something. Is it going the correct way? No, it's not. But at least it did a thing. It's not heading towards the sphere. Probably used to move towards if I reset the max value. So the max value is equal to the current position of the move marker, the direction marker, the yellow one, and then every time you move, that gets updated. So it's constantly moving towards the marker, uh, uh, as long as you have an if statement where if well, that's a character controller, so it's if its input would always be 0, so it should work as long as the move towards function isn't constantly moving it in a direction. That would work, but that's also something I don't want to do. I might have to. Not a lot. Shit. Alright, we're just gonna move on. I'll make my own character creator, controller later. We're moving on. It's time to finish this. Combiner, we don't need any of this. Let's just close this out. I'm gonna copy this though. I'm done. We're done. We're gonna leave that, but we're gonna disable it. I'm gonna disable this, this back on. Then we're gonna go here. I don't remember which should be both of these or not. I guess it seems fine. I think the override is wrong. I gotta fix that. What if I use the player? No, we'll use the pulse. Give me that. That should be fine. Here, middle rig. Oof. I want it to go down. It's too far. If I do like negative. Oops, negative 25. I'm an idiot. It's too far. 0. 25. Zero. How do we get to go down? 0. I need like a downward bias. Does it just need a refresh? Maybe it's like it was zoomed in. Alright, that's fine. I'm an idiot. It was fine. I just didn't have it zoomed in all the way. Alright, let's go back to this. Gonna open up basic controller. I better put this away before I forget. This is using the second tutorial code. I don't remember. It's using the crazy clamp stuff. No, this is using the third. What is this using? I don't even know. I'm gonna hit play because I don't even know what this is using. Still makes fireballs, so it's cool. Still attacks. So this did jack shit. This is the other tutorial. No, that's just a mouse controller. I didn't even finish it. I'm an idiot. It's just a mouse controller. Okay. Yeah, this is something completely different. We're just gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of that. Move method. That's boring. Character movements, controller movements. I'm gonna keep all the notes. Every time I do a fucking programming stream, I gotta hope. Can I just make all these locals? Probably. Am I using test axis? I don't think I am. Nope. It's all programmed into it. So yeah, I'll just use local. There's no reason not to. Float for h-axis or axis h. We'll do that. Equal input axis raw horizontal speed axis raw vertical and vector 3 movement equal 3 axis h 0 also need a transform target, which we have. Target camera. I'm just going to call this draw speed equal 1. Actually, I'm going to put this here. I already had axes. That's cool. Don't need the clamp. Ooh. We're going to change this to... Do I even need that? I guess it wouldn't hurt. Just already have it there. X-axis and Z-axis. Not using Y, not yet anyways. Keep that, that's fine. Really, no, we don't need that. Here it is. This is going to be a private float. Float raw speed equal 1. Serialized field. So we can change it. I think when the game is done and like ready, you won't be able to see this anymore, I guess. I don't know. Also, this is spaced. Move speed. Change this to text. Need a reference. That down here. Float velocity reference. Smooth time should be public. Time range 1.25 to a minimum. Move speed, no range on that. This is the full project. Controller.move. We're missing that. We just want target cam. Put it public player controller. Is it player controller? Player controller. Change raw speed, move speed. Raw speed, move speed. I know this is private, but I'm going to put it next to move speed. We'll have this equal 0.25F as default, so I think that was pretty nice. Save. Then we need the ground check, which isn't too hard. And we'll take, should I be a local? We'll make it another method. So I make a bool public photo is and is grounded. So you can't move unless you're grounded. Go down here, make a new method, call it a void, control move it, controller jump. Put this at the top. Controller move. Now this was going to get local variables if this game matter. So transform position dot y is equal to 0. Yeah. Might need to get the epsilon thing. This one was really similar. Grounded player equal controller dot is grounded if grounded player and player velocity dot y is less than 0. Player dot velocity. It makes it 0. That's another way. I used epsilon, but I guess you could do that. That works. It might interfere with the actual jumping math. I'm just going to do less than 0. What was it adding? Velocity. What? What is player velocity? Oh, they made a second controller. I could probably just bypass that, I think. Because we have a. Well, in the example they gave, I could have bypassed it. I don't think I can bypass it here. Unless I add it here. It might affect the rotation, though. I guess I could put like a bool statement. I'm going to try it. So, y-axis equals, and we'll steal the gravity formula. I think they have it here. Plus equals, what's gravity value? Fine. We'll do it that way. It's modular. This jump height. Okay. We'll try it. So we'll put that in there, and we're going to add a public float jump speed. We'll just call it jump speed. And then public float gravity value. Leave that like that. Maybe we'll default it to 1, but there is no range. Looks like the gravity was -9? It seems like a lot. This should probably have a range on it. No more than 1, but no more than negative. And yeah, we'll do negative. We'll have it default to negative 7.5. Velocity down y, which would just be y-axis. Y-axis plus equal. We'll put a y-axis in here. This is only true if what's it called? Is grounded true. Otherwise it's 0. And then, oops, and then actually this should be 2. Is ground equal true and input that get key down space, I think. So you have to be grounded and you have to hit the jump button, then y-axis equals that value. Plus equals that value. If transfer net position is less than 0, oh shit, we don't even need this anymore. It's like basically pointless. Might as well just put it over here. Oops. We'll just rename it. Transform. Hang on. Transfer net position dot y is less than 0. Less than to equal 0. I'll try it. Oh, and is grounded equal true, else is grounded equal false. Is grounded equal false, else yeah, that should be fine. Probably just make this one line. We'll make it 2 lines. Maybe. I might not need all these else if things going on. I think we'll leave this in alone. Before I get ahead of myself, I want to test this out. Because I still have to add the crouch. Oops. Why does it have the clamp? We don't need that anymore. How does it get all the way over here? Where's that clamp at? I don't know. What? Wait, why is this basic third person camera? Do I get the wrong thing? Ah! Yeah. I gotta delete that. Basic camera. Ah! I got the wrong script. Ah, man. Well, this one's a lot messier. But we're still gonna keep. I'm gonna try and like transfer it over. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go here. Turn that off. Put that on. Main camera. There. Lock cursor. It is grounded. We're gonna assume yes, but well, I'll just let it true to its own thing just to see what happens. Let it play, see what happens. Oops. Not moving. Just the gravity might be causing it to do that. do they move towards reflection? Hmm. Current. So we need a variable. Current is the starting position. Or no, actually current would be the um, jump speed. The target would be the gravity. The maximum change should be applied to that. Now, that'd be gravity value. This would be velocity, fall speed. Do I have a velocity? I have a velocity reference. Got it. Value to move towards. The maximum change that should be applied to that. So that should be. Can I just put gravity twice? Okay, that's the rate. We don't want it higher than the rate. We'll just say -10, I guess. I don't know. 0? I guess we'll just 0, I guess. Jump speed equals 1, but we want it to be 0. No, actually, no, jump speed can be 1. Hang on. we'll use raw speed. We need a placeholder here. Float. Why do you not like this? Need to do a bunch of math. Ow. Let me get rid of this to equal. Can I make it equal an if? That thing? Got it? I'm just gonna do it this way. Jump. Float. Jump. Force. Equal. Jump. Start. Speed. There we go. It's still bitching about something. Yeah, so now we have y-axis set. When we hit the spacebar, we get a value for y-axis. Then, if it is grounded equal true, which we already did the gravity because we're using the move towards math thing. if y-axis is less than or equal to 0, epsilon equals to math epsilon. It's less than or equal to 0 plus epsilon. Is 300 equal to true? I don't need this crap. It's true. We do this again. Just make it less spammy. Color movement y. There's no point in having that in there. 0. How did they handle that? Wow. I already have that with the move towards function. Should deal with that. I think. I'm gonna try. There's up at the time. And is grounded equal true. Should less than or equal to 0 plus epsilon, which it should be less than 1. Save. We'll just have is grounded true by default, I guess. Jump in. Fuck. You're out of bounds, bitch. Motherfucker. Oh, let me gravity 0. Jesus. See if that helps. It's not moving. Why is it not moving? Bye, fireball. Why is it not moving? I'm not using the stats anymore. At least for speed, anyways. There should be no colliders. Why are you complaining about out of bounds? Shut up. Ah, I'm an idiot. Classic bonehead me. You don't even have it fucking running. Just blow my brains out. Now let's make this negative 7.5 again. Question my own abilities when I do shit like that. What do you mean buttons on the setup? Where did my goddamn thing go? Fuckers. Ugh. Man. It's gone. They stole it. What does this look better at? Jump. There's no space. Just jump. Fuck. Shit. Shit. Why does it say X? Shouldn't it be Y? Why X? Oh, for 2D, I guess. 2 dimensions. This is probably bad, but this here just can't move. And it can't do both of those. If grounded has to do is grounded before. It can't be after. Well, hang on. I got it backwards. Let's just do. If I could just do is grounded. I just want is grounded to be checked first. Is grounded. Controller movement is a vector, right? Yeah, that should be fine. Is grounded. And that should work. Sure. There we go. Movement. Holy shit. Is it falling? It's not falling. It's still going in the air. Why is it going in the air? Let's just do 0.1. Blow up. Explode. Explode. I need a constant gravity applied to this thing. I think that's part of the problem. Yeah, it's not the move towards is not working. So I am going to change that because that clearly doesn't work. Uh, we'll have a spot. Oh no, because it has to be after. Well, no, it should work. No. Yeah, I wanted to declare these first because it looks nice. Where's the rate? Here it is. Value to move, so max strength. So that's what it's moving towards. This is how fast it's doing. Times at the time. That's what I forgot. Get rid of this crap. Times and time. -1? I thought 0 is what I want, because if 0 is like the brown. Huh. Um, Can it be assigned later? I know it's complaining now, but what if I assign it later? Uh, yeah, I didn't think so. House is grounded. I could probably just do this in one line. So y-axis is equal to 0 or less. Grounded is true, else is false. If input give by down is jump and is grounded equal true, then this will run. Say, we'll try that. See what happens. Damn, 3 hours. Holy shit. I did 2 streams. Fuck. Well, I might as well do it 10 more minutes. Play. Get away from me, stupid orb. Whee! Shit, it's still not going down. Is it because this is too high or something? The move towards is going the wrong way. I don't know why. You know what I did? I think I've... No, because the move towards should just always be towards the ground. Yeah, you move towards... I have it 0. Move towards 0, bitch! The maximum changes should be applied. Negative values of max delta pushes the value away. Ow! God dang it! Son of a bitch! I just read that. So I need a positive gravity number? Ah, that's confusing. Oh well. My gravity value is negative, so. Ugh. Let's do 99.99. Save. Keep the negative default. And we'll put it at 7.5. It's moving away from 0. It's negative. So 7. That's chop. Chop. Ah, it's so stiff. Come on. Jesus. I know there's a fire orb that went in the way, but chill out, dude. Chill. Why is down up and up is down? Is that right? Doesn't seem right. I think this is inverted. Oh, still going up. Why are you going up? Can you please go down? Stupid bitch. Go down. Go down. I hate you. Maybe I could try it the other way around. I mean, it works. It just won't take the value. -1. Maybe 0 is just bad. Let's do negative. Nope. But why? Huh. Plus equals jump force. Would that change it? That might. I could try it. Is that it? Can you do that? We'll try plus equals. Oh, still going in the air. Oh, you bitch. You're giving me heartburn. Stop. we're just gonna do it the right way. I was just trying to be creative with the move towards function, but apparently it hates me, so I'm not doing it. We're gonna do y-axis plus equals jump force equals, can I do jump speed? Put this in parentheses. Times. How'd they do that? It seems really convenient, the example that they had. I don't know how that works, to be honest. Be careful. Math squared, square root. Let me try it. Go away, box. Plus equals that plus jump force times, yep, there we go. See, just try regular old math. I think it has to actually be negative now. 7.5. Man, this camera's stiff. I'm gonna have to make it smoother. Ugh. And it's also, I think, inverted. Hang on, we got changes. I like up to be up and down to be down. Much better. Yeah. Oh, but same problem. Damn it. I think I need another function. Air velocity plus. Oh, okay, they got a constant gravity applied to it. Well, what the hell's all this shit? I guess this is just to calculate your jump height, because your actual jump height is going to be higher if there's no gravity. So I guess they're calculating what your actual jump height would be under gravity. So I got to get this. We need this. So I think my move towards thing would have worked if I had a constant force applied to it. I didn't have that. This is basically all I needed. Instead of velocity, it would just be y-axis, I think. Y-axis plus equals. So that should fix it. We'll see. Because I was floating. Every time I touched the fireball, I kept floating. So that was a problem that I had to fix anyways. I'm being very lazy right now. So I'm running out of time. I gotta eat some food. Alright, so I shouldn't. There we are. We're falling. That's good. That's a good sign. So, whoop, up, can't jump. Jump is busted. At least we're falling, I guess. Why not jumping? Plus equals times 0. This is it right here. Because it's plus equals, so it's going to be constantly going negative, and it needs to be reset, which I forgot to do. Which would be, where is it? Right here. Y-axis equals 0. There you go. Problem solved. It was so far negative that no amount of space. If I guess if I sat there long enough and I hit spacebar, it might have jumped. Like just keep hitting it until I get a positive value out of it. But yeah, I doubt it. I need a big number. Let's see if that fixes it. I'm gonna go try and fall off the cliff thing here. Is this still working? Yeah. Right, we are falling. This one. Hey, the jump's working. It's not very strong though. Let's go 1. That's probably too much. So that's 10 times stronger than what we have. There we go. Damn. Really slow descent. So let's increase this to -10. Smooth time. I don't even think I'm using it. Man, that is some slow descent. Maybe 20. I think it's because it's using this square root math. Makes it really, really slow. Let's get rid of this square root shit. Uh, y-axis equals only when spacebar is hit. I want plus equals, because that would cause a problem. We only want it equals to jump force. I mean, we want jump force equal to jump speed, is what I mean. If jump speed is also plus equal, then jump speed will get glitched out. It's okay for y-axis to be plus equal. Just because it's normalized, that might be right. have heartburn. Ah, shit. Gravity stopped working. Let's make move speed 3. Jump speed. Let's just get rid of jump force. I like simple. Let's try that. We're looking at 3 hours. Yeah, alright. This is the last test. I'm out of here. Gravity's too strong now, it feels like. Whoa! Look at it go! Come back! See if we can get him to meet. Hello! I can control it. That's funny as shit. Damn, is the gravity too strong? I mean, the gravity's too strong. No. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Hang on, let me... Instead of applying this all the time... Well, it should be 0. It should get reset to 0 because... Right here, y-axis equals 0. Else. Because it's super negative. Y-axis is less than or equal to 0, plus map epsilon, which needs to be the same, but if it's super negative, it's not going to be the same. Therefore, it's no longer true, it's false. Yeah, I like this here. This makes sense. So, there's something wrong with this up here. Let's flip this around. Take this. This is backwards. There. I think. Maybe that wasn't backwards. Man, I don't even know anymore. Go away, chat. Meow. Let's do the race car. Little pal. Why am I so slow? Turns off for like 1 second. It thinks I'm grounded even though I'm in the air. Why? Why does it think that? It's like resetting what is 0. That doesn't make sense. Oh. I think that's part of the problem. It's the y-axis is being used. It's not a velocity thing. It's let me try. I know I said it's done, but I'm gonna try. Vector 3. Gravity. Direction, gravity, fall, gravity, speed. Gravity velocity equals 0. Y-axis is equals. Actually, I can just make a float. Float velocity fall equals that. We can put velocity fall in here. Right. Wow. New vector 3. This out. Put gravity velocity. That way, gravity velocity separate from y-axis, but still uses y-axis. Yeah, player velocity. I guess we'll try that. I don't know. I mean, there's not much different besides that square root shit. Damn it. Fucking bitch. Ooh, fuck you in the butt. I hate you. I'm done. I gotta get food. Fuck this shit.